Yeah, it's really good volume. I can hear everything.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear the sounds coming through.
Ja, I like it.
It's so funny.
Whoa.
Hallo? Oh. Du hast einfach die Musik.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy.
What are these girls doing? They're taking a stand against inequality. They're also taking a whiz. That's how they're taking a stand. For millennia, men have lorded over women their unfair advantage of simply being able to whip it out and go to town. Just zip, whip, and let her rip. Meanwhile, she has been forced to sit in an uncomfortable, immobile, and vulnerable position, bound at the ankles or knees by her skirt, pants, or panties. Often on toilets so disgusting that only the tedious process of mummifying John makes them tolerable. Men turn their backs on us and go wherever and whenever they want, while women have to either wait for a usually nasty bathroom, or get out of sight and then drop, swap, and squirt. Does this look equal to you? We're both just peeing. Female friends everywhere, for years you have not been able to pee freely, but today you are free to pee as you please with the great equalizer of men and women, Ms. Whiz. Ms. Whiz is a female urination device, the modern woman's weapon against inequality and unsanitary toilets. She's the quick, clean, comfortable way to go when you can't or don't want to sit. Just hold Ms. Whiz over your business and you're in business. You be the hero. Enjoy the freedom to pee standing up. Ms. Whiz is the safest, cleanest way to go in an unsanitary environment. And Ms. Whiz is made of hypoallergenic silicone, ergonomically designed, so there's no flowback, splashing, or spills. Ms. Whiz loves the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, skiing, biking, boating, whatever, well, Annie, get your good. No more interrupted fun to go find a bathroom. With Ms. Whiz, all you have to do is learn how to aim. Join the cause, take a stand, and take a whiz while you're at it. Click here to get Ms. Whiz today, or go to MsWhiz.com. Ms. Whiz puts the fun in funnel. If you couldn't stand going to the bathroom before, we guarantee you can stand going to the bathroom now. Ms. Whiz, the equality, because equality is number one. we're pleased to introduce the BestWeird Trio Plug, a flexible, medium-sized butt plug engineered with the strength and versatility of 3 powerful motors. How come 3 motors in one plug results in such enjoyable anal play? More and more people are discovering the amazing pleasure potential of anal play. All bodies have many nerve endings located around the anus, which means it's very sensitive to touch, and stimulation feels good and can be an intense source of pleasure. The Trio Plug motors are located in the tip, middle, and neck of the product, which means stimulation of multiple pleasure zones. The most sensitive nerve 8 levels of vibration strength. The versatile vibration strengths satisfy a wide range of intensity preferences and users. Choose from gentle, soft pulsations to fast and powerful. 9 different vibration modes between 3 motors means more ways to play, enjoy, and explore anal sensations. The Trio Plug can be used with or without the wireless remote control. The remote control technology works up to 30 feet away, yielding a unique opportunity to be pleasured secretly and discreetly from a disc. Plug is made with ultra-soft, body-safe, seamless silicone. That means it's hypoallergenic, phthalate-free, latex-free, and non-porous. The plug is splash-proof, shower-friendly, and easy to clean. The rechargeable battery will run for a minimum of 60 minutes on a single charge. The plug is USB rechargeable and requires 2.5 hours to fully charge. The battery level indicator located on the bottom of the plug will flash to notify you when charging is required. Don't want to leave home without your BestWeird plug? Never fear. The Trio Plug comes complete with a convenient, discreet travel case. To avoid any uncomfortable vibration accidents, simply activate the travel lock. And last but not least, our warranty protects this product against defects in materials and workmanship for 1 year. Thanks for checking out the BestWeird Trio Plug. May the pleasure be yours.